To list our possible rational roots for this polynomial, we take the factors of the constant term, so the factors of 10, which are 1, 2, 5, and 10, and then we divide by the factors of the leading coefficient. Factors of 2 are 1 and 2. And of course, it's plus or minus all of those. So we have each of these things on top divided by each thing on bottom. So if we take all of those on top and divide by 1, we get 1, 2, 5, and 10. And then if we take each and divide by 2, we get 1 over 2, 2 over 2, which is 1, 5 over 2, and 10 over 2, which is 5, which we already have. And of course, it's plus or minus each of these numbers. So that's our list of possible rational roots. Now, to actually find the ones that are the actual roots of this polynomial, we'll go ahead and do synthetic division. We'll list our coefficients, -2, 6, 10, 3, and 10. And out here, we start testing things. I'll go ahead and start just with 1. We bring the 2 down, -2 down. -2 times 1 is -2. 6 plus -2 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. 10 plus 4 is 14. 14 times 1 is 14. Okay, and as we go through this process, we are, again, looking for a 0 at the end. And so in order to, well, when we find a 0, that's when we know that we have found a root. We don't get 0 here, so 1 does not work. Okay, and so we're just going to go through. We go through our list to find what actually works. Now I'm just going to kind of blast through these until I find one. And well, it looks like actually none of them worked, which means that this does not actually have any rational roots. No rational roots, which means, or no rational zeros. And that doesn't mean that there are no zeros, no real zeros. It just means that they're not rational, and so we can't actually find the zeros.